to the market now, buy something first. Nah, see, as you see me like this now, the guy thing what I want now, the kind man what I want for my life now. I'm waiting for me, to take care of me. You understand? Do good things for me. Take me to Dubai, take me shopping, change my life. But you know what? That kind thing I want. On how I get my men down. I'm telling you, like how I put men in captivity.
You know how many men don't destroy?
I'm telling you, let me even tell you how I get some men down with my supernatural power. My power is good as I must hear this gist though. Supernatural power. No, I go hear this gist well. I go follow them.
How the last one I tried on this. Let's that thing you want to make
Hey, I must hear this gist though. I'll tell him why I am called him and I'm back here for them. Tell him. Let's go, Jerry. Let's go. I'm telling you, like I'm not done with him. I actually came for revenge for what they did in my past world when I was still alive. This people really dealt with me, but now, watch out. I'm going to deal with him. He's going to sell his land. He's going to sell his property just to get down at me. But don't worry, watch out. I'm going to deal with him. I must follow them. You see this gist? My face, yeah, I'll follow them to know where they're going to. You said past life. Past life. When she was alive, does it mean that an old woman? It's not true. They want to scare me. I'll follow them. Oh, yeah, this gist well. You are dead.
You don't know this place is land of the dead.
What are you doing here?
Where are you going to? I'm asking you where you're going to.
You mean I'm in the land of the dead? God! Where am I? Hey!
Auntie, why are you shouting? I have been shouting since so. Why are you shouting, Papa? Have you shouting since?
Wait, where am I?
Yeah, you were just sleeping now. I just woke up and I have been shouting since.
As in, am I alive?
Yes. You're alive.
Hi! Thank God. Hi! If you see the kind dream I dream now, hi! It's not good to they put ear and mouth for waiting the concerned person. I did for dream. I see two girls. Two beautiful girls. They were walking. The other one say, later teach the other one how to catch a man. I know your auntie now. Your auntie never married me and they find man. Hey! Mason, I follow them. You know Emmanuel, that one where they stay for the other side, we don't die. So see Amo. What? Emmanuel, I call me, don't make me they shout. Because I can't see Emmanuel, I say, Emmanuel, what are you doing here? I say, now who I see, that make me call shout. So I shouted, Hi. Mr. Man, God will bless you for waking me up.
Amen.
See, that make me tell your mama, make you carry you, give me. Say, I need person like you with me and I will stick. Say, if you be sensible person now, that's why I for die you. Hi. God, I thank you. Hi. Thank you for waking me up. What did you cook? Food there. Why you don't cook again now?
I don't know what to do.
You for ask me now.
That's why I won't consider. When you were shouting, so I'll ask you why.
What you are going to cook? I'm going to cook here. Hi, thank God though.